My name is Karen. I have 26 years old. I live in Santa Marta. Experience that I have already had and those that I have not lived yet. I have visited different places in Colombia like Minca, Santa Marta, Bogotá, Valledupar, between other cities. I would like to go to Mexico. I never have been there before and I would like to try typical drinks and foods. Another place I want to visit is the United States. Although I have been there different cities, one experience that I remember a lot is in Minca, Santa Marta. My husband and me, we went to Minca 2 years ago to see the Marinka waterfall. But we had many problems since we didn't know that way it was very late when we arrived and the water in the waterfall was very cold. I decided another day, but my husband insisted so much to me before I went and got in the water. But I realized because I fell. Since that I am careful when I go to that place, I still remember the bow to my head.